Hello, let's try on my order I just got in from Aritzia. Up first is this gorgeous outfit that's so perfect for like a date night. I think it's so cute. It's this really gorgeous bodysuit. Also comes in black. It's extremely form fitting. Does go kind of low. I love it though. I think it's perfect for a date night. This really gorgeous belt that kind of pulls the same brown. And then these jeans are also included in the sale. These are my favorite Aritzia jeans at the moment. They are low rise, they are relaxed. I wear these all the time. I can wear these with sneakers, but right now I have them on with just like a little kitten heel, and I love this look. Up next is this stunning cable knit sweater and satin pant combination. You guys, this look is incredible. I have it styled kind of like for a date night look right now, but you could definitely wear this to work. It's so chic. This sweater, first of all, is incredible. The details on it, I'm seriously blown away. I'm gonna wear this all the time. You also could wear it with jeans. I did it in a medium just to kind of have like an oversized fit, and I think the length of it is so perfect. Pants are really incredible, like satin pull-on pant. They do have a little tie right here, which you could hide if you wanted to do like a shorter top. But wow, I love this look. This would have been so chic to wear around the holidays, but I definitely love this for like a winter white vibe.